I have this built-in Kenmore oven that is not reaching preheat temperature, and it takes forever to reach baking temperature. It seems that the lower heating element is to blame. I will diagnose the problem and try to fix it. Here you have the model number. Others are similar. Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purpose only. If you are not familiar with how to handle 240 volts and your oven doesn't work properly, then call a trained technician, and while you are waiting for his visit, listen to the Staying Alive by Bee Gees. Link in the description. But if you know how to handle 240 volts, then at your own risk, grab a screwdriver, turn on I Will Survive by Gloria Gaynor, link in the description, and good luck. First, I cut the power to the appliance. Then, there are 4 screws that hold the oven to the cabinet. When those screws are removed, I don't have to remove the whole thing out of the cabinet. Just slide it out enough to get access to the control panel. All components are connected at this panel. The oven came with an electrical and a control panel diagram. It is shown where are the relays that turn on and off heating elements. Table showing resistance value for the temperature sensor at different temperatures. Here I have relays on the control panel that turn on and off heating elements. And the elements. I can check the resistance of heating elements on the control panel following connections. This relay that cuts the power to both elements is located next to the control panel. Here is the thermostat and its connection to the panel. First, I will check the thermostat. It shows 1084 ohms. According to the table, it is about 74 Fahrenheit. It works. Now I check resistance on heating elements. According to the schematics, one is yellow, the second is blue, and both have the common on the double line brake relay. One reads over 23 ohms, and the second reads over 16 ohms. The heating elements are good. The next suspect is the control module, and before I will pull it out, I take several pictures for reference on how to connect everything back together. I tape wires that are color doubled. The control module out. Now I have to break into it. Few tabs here. Then 4 tabs on corners. Then I open it to get access to the circuit board. I examine the relays. Those are not melted or burnt. Then I check solder connections. Everything looks okay, but sometimes the solder develops micro cracks that are hard to see. Just in case, I solder those relays connections. I put everything back together and test it. Success.